Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to know your ORP is working well or not, and including your prominent controller is okay or problem. How I understand it very clearly. So that's why I'll just make a video or within a very short time, this video long, only for 2.4 minutes. So for your better understanding, I'll show you the ORP meter and the prominent controller. Here is showing, you can see 215 is the millivolt, and inside of this controller, so I just giving you some introduction for 1 minute. So this is the inside of the prominent controller. You can see the picture, there's the drawing for the Huawei connection. This is the sensor, ORP sensor. Yes, this is the ORP sensor, two wire connections, and this is the feedback. Feedback means controller to HMI, and this is the main power connections. You can see this is the 420 milliampere. I'm just showing you, and this is the power connections. Okay, let's get started clearly. Okay, we just give power on the controller of the, we just decided the two controller ORP and the pace meter. So I'm just mentioning you to the ORP sensor in here. So the value is showing 217, 280, 221. So is the similar in the HMI, the ORP disable is the controlling of the HMI. Here is showing the actual value for 216, the similar of the prominent meter, also the HMI, and the similar value showing. That means your ORP sensor is working well, also your prominent controller is also working well. That means no one is problem in here, everything is well in good conditions. If there is show the prominent meter is 215, but HMI show the -8 milliampere actual value, that means your sensor, ORP sensor is given the value, but your display is not showing the actual that value. So that means your controller is problem. Your controller is not giving the output to PLC and then HMI. So that's very easily find out for problem. That means sensor is okay, but controller is problem.